Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss an important motion sensing device widely used in smartphones, robotics, automobiles, and IoT systems, the accelerometer sensor. An accelerometer is a sensor that measures acceleration forces acting on an object. These forces can be either static, like gravity, or dynamic, such as movement, vibration, or shock. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what an accelerometer sensor is, the physical principle behind acceleration sensing, MEMS accelerometer technology, capacitive sensing mechanism, different types of accelerometers, 3-axis motion sensing, and real-world industrial applications. So let's begin. What is an accelerometer? An accelerometer is an electromechanical sensor used to measure acceleration. Acceleration refers to the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Accelerometers can detect two types of acceleration. The first type is static acceleration, which is caused by gravity. Static acceleration helps determine orientation, tilt, and leveling of devices. The second type is dynamic acceleration, which results from motion, vibration, or sudden impacts. Dynamic acceleration is important in applications such as vehicle crash detection, motion tracking, and vibration monitoring. Because of these capabilities, accelerometers have become fundamental sensors in modern electronic systems. Fundamental physical principle. The operation of accelerometers is based on Newton's second law of motion, which states force equals mass multiplied by acceleration, or F is equal to ma. Inside an accelerometer, there is a small internal mass called a proof mass, also known as a seismic mass. This mass is suspended using tiny springs within the sensor structure. When acceleration occurs, a force acts on the proof mass, causing it to move slightly relative to the sensor frame. This displacement is proportional to the applied acceleration. The movement of this proof mass is then converted into an electrical signal, which represents the acceleration. This basic system is often modeled as a mass spring damper system. MEMS accelerometer technology. Modern accelerometers are usually built using MEMS technology, which stands for micro-electro-mechanical systems. MEMS technology allows engineers to integrate mechanical structures and electronic circuits onto a tiny silicon chip. The accelerometer contains a movable proof mass suspended by microscopic silicon springs. Around this mass are fixed electrodes that detect its movement. The structures inside the sensor are extremely small, often measured in micrometers. Because of MEMS technology, accelerometers are now very compact, energy efficient, and inexpensive, making them suitable for consumer electronics and IoT devices. Capacitive sensing mechanism. One of the most common methods used in MEMS accelerometers is capacitive sensing. Inside the sensor, the proof mass contains interdigitated comb structures, which form small capacitors with fixed electrodes. When acceleration occurs, the proof mass shifts slightly. This movement changes the distance between the capacitor plates. Since capacitance is given by the equation C is equal to epsilon AD, where D is the distance between plates, any change in this distance causes a change in capacitance. The accelerometer electronics detect this change and convert it into a voltage or digital signal proportional to the acceleration. Capacitive accelerometers are popular because they provide high sensitivity and low power consumption. Types of accelerometers. Accelerometers are available in several different types depending on the sensing mechanism. One common type is the capacitive accelerometer, which is widely used in smartphones and wearable devices. Another type is the piezoelectric accelerometer, which uses special crystals that generate electrical charge when mechanical stress is applied. These sensors are commonly used for vibration monitoring in industrial systems. A third type is the piezoresistive accelerometer, where the resistance of semiconductor materials changes when mechanical strain occurs. These sensors are often used in high-impact measurements such as crash testing. Another specialized type is the thermal accelerometer, which measures acceleration using the movement of heated gas inside a chamber. Each type of accelerometer is optimized for different applications. Alternative accelerometer technologies. Let us briefly look at two important alternatives. The piezoelectric accelerometer uses crystalline materials that produce an electrical charge when subjected to mechanical stress. These sensors are excellent for measuring high-frequency vibrations and are widely used in industrial equipment monitoring. The piezoresistive accelerometer works by measuring the change in electrical resistance caused by mechanical deformation. These sensors are very effective for detecting high-impact forces and crash events, which is why they are used in automotive safety testing. Each technology provides unique advantages depending on the measurement requirements. 3-axis motion detection. Modern accelerometers usually measure acceleration along 3 axes, commonly labeled X, Y, and Z. This allows the sensor to track motion in 3-dimensional space. By analyzing the acceleration along these axes, devices can determine tilt and orientation, device rotation, motion patterns, gesture recognition. For example, smartphones use accelerometers to automatically rotate the screen when the phone is turned. Gaming controllers use accelerometers to detect movement and gestures. Wearable fitness devices use accelerometers to count steps and monitor physical activity. Applications across industries. Accelerometers are used in a wide range of industries. In consumer electronics, they enable features such as screen rotation, step tracking, and gaming motion control. In the automotive industry, accelerometers are critical components for airbag deployment systems, electronic stability control, and navigation systems. In industrial environments, they are used for machine vibration monitoring, predictive maintenance, and structural health monitoring. In robotics and IoT applications, accelerometers help stabilize drones, control balancing robots, and detect motion events in smart home devices. Because of their versatility, accelerometers are essential sensors in modern smart systems. Future trends in accelerometer technology. Accelerometer technology continues to evolve rapidly. Engineers are developing sensors that are smaller, more energy efficient, and capable of continuous operation in low-power IoT devices. Another important trend is the integration of artificial intelligence and edge computing. By processing accelerometer data directly on devices, systems can detect complex motion patterns, predict equipment failures, and recognize user gestures without relying on cloud computing. These innovations are expanding the role of accelerometers in autonomous vehicles, wearable healthcare devices, and intelligent robotics systems. Conclusion. To summarize, an accelerometer sensor is a powerful device used to measure acceleration, motion, vibration, and orientation. Its operation is based on Newton's second law, using a proof mass and sensing mechanism to convert motion into electrical signals. Because of their wide range of applications, accelerometers have become one of the most important sensors in modern electronics and IoT systems. Closing. Thank you for watching this lecture.